Hi, today I'm running new REALME C17 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings app and then tap to the personalizations. Here click to the wallpapers and tap to agree and continue. Click to allow, and you could use here the local albums, photos from the device gallery, downloaded from the internet or just taken on your camera before. Also you could use the static default and live wallpapers, and also you could use the temp store. So that means that you'll use the online wallpapers, but to use them be sure that you're connected to the internet, to Wi-Fi or mobile data. So I'll use one from the default wallpapers. Just select one from them, click here to apply, tap to lock screen, wait a second, and that's it. Now let's just check, and as you could see, that's so simple. Also we could make it by another way. Just hold for a while home screen with a finger and then tap here to wallpapers icon, and by the same way you could click to start live or just tap to more and to use one from your local wallpapers, for example. Okay, allow and tap to apply. Select lock screen, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs ups and subscribe our channel.